Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your iPhone 16 Pro, but before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your iPhone 16 Pro. In today's video, I will be reviewing the UAG Pathfinder case for the iPhone 16 Pro. I need to give a shout out to UAG for sending this case out to me for review. You can pick up this case from Amazon. I will have the links in the description. Like we normally do in our reviews, we'll make sure everything lines up. Can you wireless charge? How good is the fit? How strong is that magnet on this case? Do you get camera protection? Do you get lip protection? The overall fit, does it have bulk? Just the normal things you look for in a case video. I've been reviewing a lot of cases for this phone, so if you want to check out those videos, I have them all in a playlist on the channel. But let's get into it. Bam, UAG. I like the little fluorescent yellow or green little MagSafe there. It says 18 feet of drop tested protection. If y'all want to pause that, y'all can definitely do so. It comes in different colors. Like I said, I'll have the links in the description. I love that fluorescent yellow or green. I also love that you get these rib patterns in there for protection too. I mean for grip. That's how it looks on the inside. You have like these little patterns too for shock absorption. But let's go ahead and put this in there. Give me one moment. Alright, so let's see. It's going to show off the beauty and still protect it. So do you get camera protection? You do. You get a little bit of camera protection there. You get a lot of lip protection all the way around. You can tell right there how much protection you have. Everything lines up at the bottom. It shows off the beauty. It has the camera button cut out. It's not just a camera button. How y'all feel about that one? I know everybody feels different ways about it. I mean, I'm okay with that. Because it still works, you can still access it, still do the functions. I'm going to be honest, I never use it. But it's there, and it's not too big. Like, I know some case companies make it way too big. This one is not that bad. Power button feels nice and tactile. Volume rockers are nice and easy. The action button is easy to get to. Man, this is a solid case. Let's see how the overall fit. I mean, the overall fit is a little loose at the top and the bottom and on the sides too. So the overall fit could be a little bit better, but let's see. That fits in there pretty good too. Not bad at all. It's not super tight, but again, if you drop your phone, it's not just going to come popping out the case, which is the main thing when you are, when you have your case on there and you are prone to dropping it. That's a good thing too. It doesn't really add bulk. Not really a bulky case at all. The corner protections do give it a sense of a little bit of bulkiness there. Look at that corner protection on all four corners. But it's not really, doesn't make the case weigh a lot more. And like I said, it takes that drop protection there. One thing we want to check out, how good is that magnet? And we'll see. First thing, you can wireless charge. Let's see. UAG has been not the greatest with the magnet, but my poor little charging port here is probably about to break. Let's see. It's not bad. Again, for my use, I will be able to use this and not have any worries. But again, if you have one of those heavy duty battery packs that you've been having for years and you're MagSafe user and you need something strong, then this may not be the case for you. But for everyday use, I think you should be good. Let's check out, look, little ring holder too. Yeah, I mean, look, that takes, look. So if you have in a car thing, you would have to be bouncing around a lot for that to come off. So overall, the magnet is not horrible. But let's wrap up this video. It checks off a lot of boxes for you. The buttons are great. I love how the buttons feel. Everything lines up. Doesn't add bulk. You get the lip protection you look for. You also get the camera protection. I don't know if you're a fan of the camera cutout button thing here. It may be good for you. If you're not, then you may not want to pick up this case. The magnet is okay. It's not one of the strongest, but definitely I have seen worse since I've been doing the 16 Pro lineup there. I do like the little UAG logo in the middle. Again, if you want to pick up this case, I will have the links in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the iPhone 16 Pro. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out. Y'all have a great day.